Hello guys, good evening. This is Mami Riza and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, um, ituturo ko sa inyo or I will do a tutorial for the PHP SQL on my IAS subject. So my topic for today is all about MySQL. So, what is SQL? SQL or Structured Query Language is a domain language used in programming and designed for managing data held in a relational database management system. So, it is RDBMS. It is particularly useful in handling structured data. So, itong SQL is a series of data na magkakamag-anak or may relationship. Sabi pa nga ng iba, buti pa daw yung database may karelasyon or may relationship. Ang RDBMS ay nagmamanipulate sa database. So, explain ko muna kung ano ang structure or unstructured. So, ang unstructured data, yun yung naka-PDF na files like PDF, textile, videos, pictures, and etc. Tapos, ang structured data, yun yung meron siyang data model or meron siyang pagkakakilanlan. Before tayong mag-proceed, mag-download muna tayo ng MySQL kasi sa MySQL or MySQL ay libre. So, sa video ito, i-share ko sa inyo paano mag-download. Type natin yung XAMPP downloader, XAMPP free downloads, then download some Apache Friends, then so click natin itong .4. Downloaded na siya. Yes. Then lalabas ang Vietnamese. Then okay. The next lang natin, next. So hintayin natin mag-download. So yan, nag-installing na siya. Hintayin na natin matapos mag-install. So finish natin, then hintayin lang natin. Ayan. So on the PHP My Admin screen, select User Account tab. Then select the user's account link. Enter the username and password of your choice. Check Create Database with same name and grant all the privilege. At the bottom right of the screen, click the Go button. To verify that account has been created, go to User's Account tab. You should see the newly created user account. Let's create a guestbook database. To create a database, there are several options. You may use the Create Database feature. On the PHP My Admin screen, Select the Database tab. Alternative, you may click the new link on the left panel. Under the Create Database, enter a database name. Then click the Create button. You may run the SQL command to create a database. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the SQL tab. Then enter the Create Database Guestbook. Click the Go button to run the command. Let's create a table named Entries. To create a table, there are several options. You may use the Create Table feature. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database. Then select the Structure tab. Under the Create Table, enter a table name and the number of columns, and then click the Go button. You may run the SQL command to create a table. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the SQL tab, then enter the following code. If you already select the Guestbook database, on the left panel, no need to include the Use Guestbook in your QSL to run. To insert data into a table, there are several options. You may use the Insert feature. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database, select on the Entries table. Select the Insert tab. For each record of data to be inserted, enter the value of each column. Click the Go button. You may run the SQL command to insert data. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database. Select the Entries table. Then, select the SQL tab. Enter the following code. Then, click the Go button to run the command. To retrieve the data from a table, there are several options. You may use the Browse feature. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database. Select the Entries table. Then, select the Browse tab. This will display all existing record of the table. You may run the SQL command to retrieve data. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database to select Entries table. Select the SQL tab. Enter the following code. Click the Go button to run the command. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database. Select Import tab. Choose the .sql file to import. Click the Go button to run the command. On the PHPMyAdmin screen, select the Guestbook database. Select the Export tab. Then, click the Go button to run the command. Hope you learned some lessons on MySQL video. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Then, click natin yung structure. Then, gawa tayo ng name. Gawa tayo ng name dito. So, student ang ilagay ko dito. Student. Tapos, ang row, okay na yan, 4. Tapos, i-go natin. So, wait lang tayo. Loading siya masyado. So, dito, makikita nyo itong browser, structure, SQL, search, insert, export, import, privilege, operation, tracking, and triggers. So, may table name. So, ang ginawa natin table name is student. Tapos, dito tayo mag-add if ever kailangan natin mag-add dito. Then, may column. Tapos, nandito is name, type, length, values, length/values, default, collation, attributes, null, index. So, if ever gumawa tayo ng Lagay natin dito first name. First name. First name. Tapos dito select natin ang varchar. Then ang length values niya is 100. Then dito sa default none. Then next last name. Dito lagay natin last name. Tapos dito varchar pa rin. So click the varchar. Then 100 pa rin dito sa length and value. So click natin ang 150. Change natin na 150. Tas dito is the username. Username. Tapos dito text. Ayan. Dapat dito varchar. Tapos dito 150. Tapos dito role. Uy, asa na yan? Ulitin natin kasi nawala. Sa first name varchar, sa last name varchar, sa username varchar, dito sa rule int 150 dito 150, then dito 150, then we put dito 100.
Me, muna nakakuhan, me.
Sabaan ni munit oy. Nato pagkahuman-human ani ninyo. Musaka og kanang dili makasaba nit, mo kag buang.